Finding a particular solution in example 6. My new Smartboard software makes the print look a little funny. So bear with me until it might be different on the other Smartboard. So we're just going to have to bear with it until I get this one, my wires fixed. Apparently the wires were crossed, so that's what's going on with that. Okay, so finding a particular solution. Find the equation of the curve that passes through the point 1, 3 and has the slope of y over x squared. At the point. I put I missed a, I don't know how to spell. It's supposed to be T-H-E and not E-H. Okay? At the point xy is shown below. Okay, so we know that the slope equals y over x squared, right? What's another way of saying slope when we talk about functions? Y prime. Give me another way to write y prime. Give me another way to write f prime of x. dy over dx. Very good. So we know dy dx equals y over x squared, right? We know that because it's the slope. And we also know that we have the initial condition. We have a point. A point is given to us. We can rewrite this as our initial condition of y of 1 equals 3. Why? Because when x equals 1, y equals 3. Okay? So it's just changing things a little bit. All right? We know how to deal with these now. We've gotten pretty good at doing this. So, what do? Multiply by dx. Does everybody agree with Marissa? Yeah? Okay. So we get dy equals y over x squared dx. Okay, somebody else tell me the next step. Divide by y. Okay. So I get dy over y equals x squared, or dx over x squared, I'm sorry. Good. I've got my dy dx's in my numerator exactly where I want them. I've got my variables separated. After we separate, we integrate. Okay? It's a rhyme. Separate, integrate. Get it? Yeah. Okay. Is there any number that y can't be? Y doesn't equal 0. Okay. All right, so we've got our variables separated. We're going to take the integral. We need the integral of dy over y. Adam, can you give that to me? Very good. ln of y equals. And then we have the integral of dx over x squared. Is there another way we can write this algebraically that's going to make it a little bit simpler? Yeah. Say that again? No. Give me something else. Yes, but something else. What is it, Jesse? X to the negative 2. X to the negative 2 dx, right? Let's just rewrite this. X to the negative 2 dx. A little bit easier to see. Sorry, Jesse. Or Marissa, I didn't mean to shut you down like that. Wrong! Okay. Integral of x to the negative 2. Andrea? Negative x to the, yeah, or negative 1 over x. Okay? What else am I missing? Plus c. All right. So I have the ln of y equals negative 1 over x plus c. I would not be adverse to rewriting this as negative x to the negative 1. Now we go back to our trig rules. I know you want to, right? When we talk about trig, we have addition. How can I condense this if I'm going to raise everything to the e? I want to condense it. What do? I go to multiplication, okay? So I'm going to raise this to the e. It's going to be ln of y. E raised to ln of y equals e raised to the c to the negative x to the negative 1. I'm sorry. Scratch that. I'm backwards. C, E. It's multiplied after. I apologize. Because you can't just take, if you're going to take the natural log of both sides, you can't exclude anything. You know what I'm saying? You have to apply it to everything. So if you were to apply it to everything, you can then pull those together. Because E is essentially, you have to apply it to everything. Alright, when I raise e to a natural log, what happens? Goes away, go away, I get, come up here, right up. I get y equals c e to the negative x to the negative 1, or c e to the negative whatever x. Sorry. Okay, am I done? What do I do? Solve for c. What was my initial condition? Okay. So y is 3, and x is 1. Right? C e to the negative 1. What do I need to do? What do I solve for c here? Or 3e equals c. Right? You gotta remember e's a number, it's not a variable. You know, sometimes we look at that and we're like, there's an e in there. Yeah, e's like pi. It's a number. Okay? So I've got c. There's my c. Plug it in. I get y equals 3e times e to negative x to the negative 1. And we can simplify that further, right? Y equals 3e to negative x to the negative 1 plus 1. And that would be our, what kind of solution is that? It's not general, it's particular. Okay? Good. Good. Okay? Guys, if you're having trouble or you need help with that weekly project, please come in and see me. I'm here every day after school. What's today? Wednesday? Except for today, I have a meeting every Wednesday. I'm also available 5th, 6th, 8th, and 9th for your learning pleasure. Weekly project, due Monday. Okay?